Today we spend time with a bird both familiar and extraordinary. The Northern Cardinal, a striking presence across North America's backyards. With its brilliant red plumage and clear whistled songs, the cardinal's not just any bird at the feeder. It's a year-round symbol of life, color, and sound. And that sharp crest, almost always appearing just a little windswept. The male cardinal is unmistakable. Bright scarlet feathers, a black mask, and that sharp crest. The female wears earthier tones, tan, soft brown, with just the faintest brush of red on the wings and tail. Both share one feature: a vivid orange beak built for cracking seeds. You'll find cardinals across most of the eastern and central United States, stretching into parts of Mexico and Canada. Unlike migratory birds, they remain throughout the winter. Their welcome splash of red against snow-covered branches. At feeders, they're reliable visitors, drawn to platform or tray-style feeders, where they deftly open sunflower seeds with that powerful beak. The Northern Cardinal holds a curious distinction. It's the state bird of 7 U.S. states, more than any other species. And unlike many birds, both males and females sing. Especially in spring, when males take to the treetops, calling out to mark their territory. In folklore, the cardinal carries meaning far beyond feathers. Its vivid red has long been tied to vitality, and, in some traditions, even visits from loved ones who have passed. And one peculiar habit, they sometimes attack their own reflection, mistaking it for a rival male. Fierce defenders even of imagined threats. The Northern Cardinal reminds us that beauty is not always fleeting. Through heat and cold, season after season, they return. Brightening our world with their color and presence. Every bird is a little dinosaur.